Mao jud. Dili kayo.
Ayun, sumay ato.
Okay, balik ato.
Honestly, mix ang emotions ko kasi tatay mo yan eh. He's 80 years old. Sabi niya nga 84 siya. So it must have felt 4 years na siguro sa kanya doon na nasa loob siya. Hindi natin alam, di ba? So we try to insist na 80. So sinasabi niya 84 daw siya. But it's only been, what? A couple of months.
83 days.
Yeah. So yun. Well, I think at that age, siguro at he's been a very popular former president ever since he came down. Yung wala namang nakakuha ng ganung trust rating.
Correct.
Even sa buong mundo.
Yes.
So
That's true.
yung hindi ko, I really think he doesn't deserve this.
No, he doesn't.
Hindi naman talaga perfecto lahat ng administrasyon, lahat ng mga dumaan na presidente, pero why would you do this to a person that clearly na pinakita niya sa mga tao on how you love your country?
Correct,
So,
sir.
you know, during his term, like I said, di naman sa perfecto, but he always emphasizes the love for country. And just to do this to him, diba? So yun ang naramdaman ko na it's really so unfair that they did this.